Tomato Brain. From the starts, hungry ECOCITIES paths to progress experiments.
How can we talk about AI without first talking about line shafts? Before electricity, factories ran on one giant steam engine turning a line shaft, a spinning rod that powered every machine by belt. When electricity arrived, most owners didn't redesign the layout. They just swapped the steam engine for one massive electric motor. Same shaft, same noise, just faster. And we keep on repeating this. In the 1950s, computers replaced the typing pools. In the 1980s, ERPs automated the paperwork. We keep rebuilding the same factory with shinier tools. And now we're doing the same with AI. Instead of rethinking how we work, we just stick the motor where the steam was. We're told AI will change everything. So far, it's mostly been writing our meeting notes. So we tried something different, a brain for tomatoes, to rethink the humans. Axia Seeds breeds tomato varieties, hundreds of them, for growers around the world. Every variety, every decision runs through testing, spreadsheets, meetings, and greenhouses. The original question was huge. How could companies across the food chain share information to cut waste? We tried to map how data moves through this food chain, who knows what, when, but we hit a wall. We realized the data that could help everyone is the same data no one dares to share. So instead of forcing cooperation between rivals, we turned inward. Could we build collective intelligence inside a company first? We built a system called Tomato Brain. 3 connected AIs, each with a job. The Seed Sommelier, who knows every variety Axia breeds. The Cultivation Coach, who gives growing advice. And the Sales Sage, who knows the clients and their experiences inside out. They all live in Axia's private cloud, and they talk to each other and to the team like slightly over-eager and way too knowledgeable colleagues.
What surprised us most about Tomato Brain is it didn't just make our work faster, it made it smarter. We turned our meetings into real moments of decision-taking and collaboration, where insights come together effortlessly.
The breakthrough wasn't automation, it was conversation. We started using the system to redesign how meetings worked. Instead of an hour of round-robin updates, everyone shared their notes beforehand. The AI clustered, compared, found patterns, tensions, and blind spots. Then, when we met, instead of meeting to collect information, we could meet to decide. We showed it everywhere, from logistics conferences to art festivals, and people kept asking if they could use it in their own meetings. What they recognized wasn't just efficiency, it was a sense of connection. Our food system runs on often invisible infrastructures, spreadsheets, inboxes, and decisions made in meetings like these. They determine what gets planted, shipped, or wasted. AI gives us a new kind of wiring. Large language models can compress or expand information at will, translate between human mess and machine structure. Before, the only way to manage all that information was to hire more people or add more forms. Now we can do it almost effortlessly across whole organizations. If we redesign that layer, the way information moves and decisions form, we can make the entire system more adaptive, more sustainable, and maybe even more humane. Don't speed up the mess. Let's redesign it. We started with a question about waste. We ended up rethinking how intelligence itself could grow. Next, we're sharing what we've built, open sourcing the tools, building with others. The software is open, adaptable, light enough to run on a text message. The intelligence that matters isn't inside the model. It's the network it helps us form. Messy, human, and still learning how to think together.